Alright, what up y'all? What up YouTube watchers? Two things before we even start. Don't say nothing about my nails. I'm trying to get them off. Look y'all. Ooh, look at me. Look y'all, it's been rough. I've been having a lot of things to do and I'm trying to get these videos to y'all. So I ain't been able to do things. Also, don't look at that, you know what I'm saying? I know I'm childish, y'all, I'm childish, but mind your business. Mind your business. But okay, let's get into this look that I'm finna do for y'all. So I just got my package from BH Cosmetics, which I always use their products. I used to always order their products all the time because they have nice, affordable products. And there are a lot of people I know, they can't buy MAC, they can't buy things at Sephora and stuff like that. So it's like, it's a nice cosmetic line that is affordable to you guys and that is good quality. So I'm going to show you some of the things that I got from there that I'm going to use on this look that I'm doing today. So first I got these because I needed a makeup foundation brush because I'm going to try to start using foundation brushes. And then these came with it. It was very cheap. Everything, they had a sale anyway, but everything that I got was like under $10. Woo! And then I got this. Came with all of these in a little purse. So I'm going to be using these for my makeup look today. And I told y'all I'm going to stop using Anastasia eyebrow foundation thing. So I end up getting this Ultimate Brow Palette. What is with my speech? But yeah, so I'm going to be using this for my eyebrows, see how this works. And one last thing, I end up getting this Over Lights palettes. It looked really cute and it has some nice little colors that I really like. So we're going to be trying this. Alright, so by your means, please, before we even get into this video, subscribe to my channel. Girl, I'm trying to get there. I'm trying to make it. And I need y'all to help me make it there because I'm doing the makeup faces for you guys. And I'm doing all this for you. So help me out and I'm helping you out. Alright? Like and comment. You know, give me some ideas here. Give me some inspiration. You know, help your girl out. But
girl, they got love for a thug. Before we stay down, we go up. Ain't no limit inside of this world. Yeah, I'ma run this money up with you. Tell me go win, I'm fin to. You don't do the shit that a bitch do. I'ma show you all what a brick do. Come and hop in the whip when I slide through. Trap house with him built, that's a drive through. Got that money coming in all different ways. Feeling like I'm from Morocco. Slow down, but you better not panic when it go down.
Alright guys, we finna get into this look. So I'm finna start doing my eyebrows with this Brow pad from BH Cosmetics. So yes, this is a different pad that I'm using. And now I'm gonna do under my eye with my camouflage palette. And I'm showing you all the brushes that I'm using from BH Cosmetics. So I'm just gonna put that under my eye and above my eyebrows. Now I'm going to put some concealer over my eyelids. I'm going to use the e.l.f. powder to set it. And right now I'm doing one eye and then I'll do the other one later. So now I'm going to use my BH palette. Yes, it looks so gorgeous, so pretty. So I'm using that color right there for my base. I'm just going to pat that on there. Put the next color on top of that in the corner of my eyelid. Now I'm going to use that purple, put it at the tip of my eyelids. Now I'm going to use this darker blue to finish the look off. Alright, now I'm going to blend everything in, make a softer look at the top. So it looks a little more presentable. Alright, I'm going back to my camouflage palette. I'm gonna go ahead and cut my crease. Now this is my first time I'm gonna be making a real big and long crease. I wanted to try something new today. Alright, now I'm gonna go back into my BH Cosmetics palette. I'll start this lighter gold color for the beginning. And I'm gonna use this darker gold color behind it. Debating on what color. And this pinkish purplish color. Now I'm gonna use this purple. And this dark pink for the wing part. And this, I'll say pinkish reddish color for the end. Now I'm just gonna clean that up. So now I did my eyes. I'm just gonna put this glitter on the crease. Okay, now I'm gonna use my Pro concealer. Put it on my dark spots and my little mustache. Blend that in, girl. And now I'm gonna use, I forgot the name of it, but you see what it looks like. It is a great primer for my face because it clogs in all those pores. Now I'm gonna use my Revlon foundation, which is the best drugstore foundation you can ever get. I promise you, like, I love this foundation. And now I'm gonna use BH Cosmetics foundation brush. And now I'm using the Camouflage palette for the concealer under my eye and everything. The brush wasn't too bad. Now I'm just gonna blend all that in until it's nice and blended. Alright, now I'm going to use my darker Pro color. And we're going to contour that face. Give me some color. I'm so silly. Make sure I got the perfect nose. Yeah, girl. Dance. Ayy, ayy. Now we're just gonna blend that in. Blending is the most important part. You just wanna make sure everything looks still a little natural and blend it in. Now I'm going to use my banana setting powder, which I love this powder. This is like the best powder. I don't know no other powder better than this. It's the shit snits. Now I'm just gonna let this powder sit, and I'm gonna do my dance like I always do, cause you know me, I love to dance. I don't even know what song I was listening to, but it was my jam. Now we're just gonna brush this off. Make sure we are setting good. Now I'm gonna spray my rose water. And y'all see my new little fan? Yes, girl, yes. I did it. Now we're gonna use this highlighter. I think it's called Honor Roll highlighter. Yes. And let me just show y'all something. Bam. Look at that highlight. That highlight though. That highlight though. Okay. Let's not kill him. Yes, just a flick of the wrist. Yes. Bet you can't do it like me. Hey, that's highlights. It's the bomb. I love this highlighter. And now I'm going on top of that with this gold powder. And it's like gold. Look at it, look at it, look at it. Oh, y'all see that? That shit is bomb. Yes, it just makes that under highlight just so much better. I'm telling you, you can never have too much highlight. Like never. I don't think you can ever have too much highlight. Like I could put on a ton of highlight and it's just still pretty. Now I'm gonna do my wing. Which y'all, I suck at doing wings, but I am learning. And back to my eyelashes, and I'm using the eyelash Nivea. Now I'm gonna go with my MAC lipstick. I just love the color pink and purple. It's just so cute. And pink is like really cute on me. If y'all didn't know, and I'm going over there with my Beauty Supply lip gloss. Ain't no wrong with Beauty Supply lip gloss, y'all. And I'm gonna spray with my Too Faced setting spray. And y'all see my braids? Yes, I got braids. Now I'm finna lay these edges. Yes. Y'all see my toothbrush? That's old toothbrush, girl. I never use that for my teeth. It's only for my edges. Now I'm gonna fan it out with my new fan that I got from Chinatown. Hey, look at me. I look cute, don't I? Thank you. I did that. I know. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe. Bye.